powers, indices, and exponents. In previous tutorials, we have provided a general description of powers and exponents. Let's recall what we have said about powers in tutorial 1.3. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, we obtain the schematic representation of power as shown in the following on screen. Another name used for the exponent is index, indices in plural. Thus, for example, in the operation, we have the following shown on screen. The base is 3, the exponent, or index, is 4, and the power is 81. Example. Write the following expressions more shortly and calculate the result if possible. A. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. B. M times M times M times N times N times N times N times N. Solution. A. We have 4 2s and 3s in this expression. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. B. We have 3 of M and 5 of N in this expression. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.1.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 7.1.2, Properties of Indices. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.